Today, I'm going to be heading out into London to guess strangers' salaries with a little help from my friend Noah. But to make it even harder, I'm going to have to abide by 3 rules. 1, I can only ask 3 questions. Rule 2, one of the questions is not allowed to be, what's your job? And rule number 3, I have to have fun. What's the most expensive item you own?
£10,000.
Nice. Question number 2, does money buy happiness?
Money facilitates happiness. I would say it makes the happiness happier, easier to achieve, sort of. Yeah.
Nice, that makes sense. How many years experience do you have in the field you work in?
Just gone 7.
Noah, over to you to guess.
Okay, I'm gonna guess this. I think 55,000.
It's actually pretty spot on. It's
Is
actually
it?
weirdly spot. Yeah, it's pretty accurate.
Solid.
To the pound?
Not to the pound. It's a varying amount. Average, yeah, probably a little bit less than that.
So what do you do as a job?
I'm a camera assistant.
Camera assistant.
Oh wow! You can replace our camera.
Sorry, you're sacked.
Sorry, Roman.
What are the kind of things you film?
TV drama, mainly.
What's the coolest thing you filmed?
There's a thing on Amazon at the moment called The Rig. I've worked on that up in Edinburgh.
Wow, I've heard of The Rig. Yeah. Is it soon to come out?
It's just come out. Yeah, like last week or something.
And do you think you're fairly paid for the industry?
There's a lot of talk happening about this at the moment. Yes, I think we are. I think we're paid very well.
That's
Nice,
incredible. Mate.
solid.
Thank you
Appreciate
so much.
that.
What is the most expensive thing that you own?
A house,
How much is that house worth?
420,000.
And do you have a mortgage on it?
Yes.
Okay. Does money buy happiness?
No.
Why not?
It gives you a bit more, but then there's you reach a plateau.
What's your highest level of education?
A professional qualification.
Okay.
Higher than a degree.
I've got it nailed on.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah,
You got
I've
it?
got it.
Alright,
Easy.
alright.
I
Kidders.
predict that you earn £52,000 a year.
No. 70,000.
I was way off. And what is it that you do?
I'm an accountant.
Got it. How many years experience?
5.
Let's move for this truck.
So today we're going to ask you 3 questions, and using that information, Noah is going to guess exactly how much you earn. What's the most expensive thing that you own?
A harp,
Can I ask how much the harp costs?
£4,500.
Question number 2 is how many years experience do you have in the field you work in?
22.
Nice. And question number 3 is, do you believe that money buys happiness?
No,
Can I ask you to elaborate?
because time is money, and I don't want to be burnt out and miserable and not enjoying my 40s.
I like that a lot.
So I predict you earn 43,000 a year.
Let's say it's 40 to 50.
Nice.
So,
well done.
well
Nat.
done.
And can we ask what you do for a living?
Yeah.
Is it a musician?
I used to be a musician, but I now run my own company, Play Healing.
Most expensive thing I own is my electric bike.
How many years experience do you have in your field?
At the moment, the job I do,
Yes.
13.
What's your highest level of education?
Not much.
Oh, is that enough for you?
All right, I'm going to predict it now. Oh gosh, let's give it a go. I predict that you earn 45,000 a year.
Oh,
Is this
you
right?
trying to listen to him? We didn't work together. We do the same job.
Same salary. Oh.
I earn £32,000 a year.
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't think that.
Why did I think that? What is the most expensive item that you own?
It's a tennis bracelet. 5K.
Wow. Okay. Question 2. What's your highest level of education?
Master degree.
Okay. And final question. How many years experience do you have in your job?
In my company and in general.
In general.
In general, I have 4 years and a half.
Okay. Gabriel, how confident are you feeling?
Very, very confident. I predict you earn 50k a year.
It's between 40 and 50.
And like, what kind of company? What do they sell?
It's art tech.
That's cool.
Art tech.
Art
tech.
Wow. That's
Nice.
incredible. Thank you
Wicked.
so
That's
much.
it. So how do you think I did? Personally, I think I was actually decent. Noah was shocking. If you did like this video, then you are 100% gonna like this one over here. So give it a watch. See ya.